When can employees request corrections to their personnel files? In today's fast-paced work environment, understanding your rights regarding personnel files is more important than ever. Employees across the nation are seeking clarity on when they can request corrections to their personnel files. Just this week, several news outlets reported on the growing concerns employees have about the accuracy of their records. If you are one of those employees wondering about your rights, you are in the right place. Most employees have the right to request corrections to their personnel files. However, the specific rules can vary widely depending on state laws and workplace policies. For instance, in Michigan, the law known as Public Act 397 of 1978 allows employees to review their personnel files upon reasonable request. This law emphasizes the right to access and challenge information in those files. When making a request, employees should do so in writing. Employers are typically required to respond within a reasonable timeframe. This timeframe can be defined by internal policies or relevant laws. Some collective bargaining agreements even specify deadlines for these requests. For example, employees might have to submit their requests within a certain number of days after an issue arises. If an employee discovers incorrect information in their file, they can submit a written statement to be added to the file. This ensures that the employee's perspective is included alongside the disputed information. While employers are not always obligated to remove incorrect information, they must allow employees to add their own statements. Employees can generally request corrections at any time. However, the exact process and timeline can differ based on state laws and employer policies. It is wise for employees to familiarize themselves with their state's labor laws and workplace policies to understand the specific procedures involved. For anyone facing challenges in getting their personnel files corrected, consulting with an employment attorney can be beneficial. This step can help protect your rights and ensure that your personnel file accurately reflects your employment history.